Welcome back to the channel, another 200-gram edition of Mike's Vivid Thunder Pyrotechnics, keeping the thunder rolling with Raccoon fireworks. You will be awake at dawn. Pretty funny artwork. Take a look at the description. 15 shots, 200-grammer, loud, vertical firing, 30-second duration. Got a little bit of color in there. And the performance reads: time rain tails to green wave with white strobe, spinners to chrysanthemum, silver tail whistling to green, blue and red strobe. My kind of cake. Some tourbillons, Chinese factory pictures of what it should look like in the sky. Let's take a look under the hood. Decent bore size for a 200-grammer. With no further ado, let's get into it. Awake at Dawn by Raccoon Fireworks. Yeah! Awake at Dawn by Raccoon Fireworks. Keeping the thunder rolling. Mike's Vivid Thunder Pyrotechnics. Please like and subscribe for more.